Before we get into this video, I wanted to let you guys know that I have a tutorial on how I make my thumbnails. The link will be in the description below. If you're interested in learning how to boost your views on YouTube, learning the techniques on how big time YouTubers actually make their thumbnails, this is very beginner friendly. You don't need a ton of experience on this. You actually don't need no experience, because I'm going to teach you exactly how to do these. So yeah, so this tutorial link is in the description below. Feel free to check it out. Hi guys, it's your girl Designer Soapbox, and I am back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about a must-have for credit repair. So it's just a little gem that I use while doing credit repair that I wanted to give to you guys in case you don't know. So what it is an app called USPS Informed Delivery. So what is USPS Informed Delivery? It's an app that basically informs you about your upcoming delivery to your home address, and also you can track items that are sent out to you. You can also track items that you send as well in case you're sending stuff certified. So how it can benefit you if you're repairing your credit. So if you repair your credit and you're sending in dispute letters, which most likely you will if you're trying to repair your credit on your own, or if someone else is doing it for you, and the credit repair letters is going to get sent to your address, it really is important to know when the credit bureaus respond to you, especially when you're doing credit repair, because you want to respond in a timely manner. A lot of the times you want proof that they responded if they did not respond. A lot of the times, in disputing, it's a time game. So if the credit bureaus do not respond within 30 to 45 days, then you can go ahead and try to get some of those items removed. However, it's important to track everything while disputing your credit. So in order to get in control of that, you can get in control with the mail that is being sent to you. You can also get in control of the mail that has your sensitive information. So if they respond to you and it may have sensitive information such as your credit card information, your social security, stuff like that, you want to get in control of that so nothing happens to your mail and it's not compromised. Because during credit repair, it is very key that everything is in order and that nothing happens to jeopardize your credit repair process. So I really like this app. I use this app. It's also good for if during the credit repair process and you may be away from home or on a vacation, you always want to be informed when they will respond, because the credit bureaus do not send you out an email, or they don't send you a text message saying that they responded by mail. They just go ahead and respond through the mail, and you just by luck have to check the mail. If you don't check your mail daily, this is really good for those that don't check their mail daily or don't expect too much mail, but you're expecting the credit bureaus to respond, and you're just standing by the clock waiting and very anxious to wait. Well, this will basically eliminate all of that anxiousness, and you can be alerted when it does come to your mail. So it will inform you. So basically how you're going to get informed is it's going to inform you when the item is scanned to your address, usually when the carrier or the post office receives information pertaining to your address. So usually the time frame is less than 24 hours when you'll be informed, basically when it's delivered to you. So when it hits the postal office, then that's when you're going to basically get informed that the mail is coming to you today. So that is really great to have, knowing that you waking up looking forward to new mail that you may be receiving from the credit bureaus with your results. I love it. This also helps with theft and getting in control of what's being sent to you. So during your credit repair process, there are a lot of times mail may go missing, hoping that there's information that thieves can get in control of if your information is being compromised. So you just want to get in control and look forward to that stuff so that you won't, be a victim of theft. So helpful tips that I want to share with you is to do this and to be a part of the USPS Informed Delivery. You want to download the app, and then you want to enable email notifications and post notifications to be alerted right away. So as soon as you enable those, the mail will be, it may take 1 or 2 days for it to populate, but as soon as you'll start getting email notifications and push notifications about mail that's coming to you. And this is going to be every piece of mail, okay? This will also help you respond back to the credit bureaus quickly. In case you need to respond and dispute a second or third time with them, this will help you be prepared to know that they responded to you and that you need to respond in a timely fashion manner. This also helps you keep track of your certified mail that you may have sent to the credit bureaus so your information is not compromised. So if you are sending dispute letters to the credit bureaus and you send them through certified, this is also a good way to keep track of everything. I know the certified mail tickets are sometimes, the green ones are sometimes hard to keep track of. So this is also a good way to always keep track of things. So in your files you have it, and you can, if you need to take them to court or take any circumstances to court, you have this stuff already logged into your USPS Informed Delivery App. Okay? Hi everyone, this is DesignerSoapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express inquiry removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. So thanks for watching. I hope I dropped some gems for you guys today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you think below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.